Students, let's move to the question number 2. The question 2 is, what are the qualities of a patriot? This question actually is asking for the specific qualities which defines the person who is patriotic. वो qualities और वो attributes क्या हैं जो एक आदमी को हुब्बुल वतन बनाते हैं. आपने इस क्वेश्चन के जवाब में एक पेट्रियोटिक पर्सन की क्वालिटीज को डिस्क्राइब करना है. तो आपके ख्याल में एक हुब्बुल वतन पाकिस्तानी या एक हुब्बुल वतन इंसान की क्या क्वालिटीज हो सकती? We have studied in the chapter a patriot is always ready to sacrifice his everything for the sake of his country, as well as he always remain honest with his profession. He never compromise his personal interest on the national interest. And moreover, a patriot is an honest in everything as far as his country is concerned. He tried to make his country clean and neat. And a patriot is always ready to defend his country from outer aggression. So these are some of the qualities which you can write in the answer section of this question. I hope you understand this question. Thank you.